The chilies and the peppercorns that I use in this dish make for an interesting tongue-numbing spice. First, marinate your chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes in a little cooking wine and a little soy sauce. To make your spice mix, you need to combine toasted sesame seeds, your whole dried Szechuan chilies, Szechuan chili flakes, and the sugar. Make the coating for the chicken with cornstarch, cayenne, ground Szechuan peppercorns, and salt. You can adjust your amount of Szechuan peppercorns and whole dried Szechuan chilies depending on how spicy you want the dish. When your chicken is finished marinating, drain the rest of the marinade and coat the chicken with the chicken coating that we had made. And you might need to add a little more cornstarch if it still looks a bit wet. Heat your pan over medium-high heat and then add enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan once it's hot. Then you want to spread the chicken out on the bottom in one layer and then let it cook until the bottom of the chicken is brown. Then you're going to flip and cook the other side. So I am flipping my chicken so that I could cook the other side. Once that chicken is done, you're going to take it out and put it on another plate. I actually line my plate with paper towels to absorb additional oil. And then once that's all done, you're going to take your Szechuan peppercorns and you're going to put it in the oil and cook it until they turn brown. Then you're going to take them out. Once you've taken out all the Szechuan peppercorns, continue to cook the garlic and then the ginger and the green onions until they're fragrant. Then go ahead and add that spice mix you made earlier and stir this until the peppers are darker. Once those peppers are darkened, you're going to return the chicken to the pan and combine everything. Then go ahead and season it with some salt and put your cilantro in.